Hi there, this is Leo with remodelingcalculator.org, and in this video I want to show you how HardiePlank composite siding is installed. So what you see is a professional siding crew that is installing a 4-inch profile HardiePlank, and in this case the boards are already pre-painted in the factory and they are positioned so that each board overlaps another one by 1.5 inches, and the portion that's overlapped is actually your nailing strip. Now you place your nails where the studs are, and you can use either a nailing gun or you can hand nail. You can either mark your horizontal lines before you place the siding, or you can use a guide that's 4 inches or 5 inches or 6 inches wide to get exact exposure. Now keep in mind that before you start installing HardiePlank, you need to get your house wrap and your trim boards installed all around the windows and on all the walls. And once that is done, you can start installing the siding itself. Alright, thanks for watching. Please click the like button below, subscribe to our channel, and go to our website to estimate the cost of installing HardiePlank siding. See ya!